Hi everyone, this is Allie Smith with Johnson RV here in beautiful Sandy, Oregon. Johnson RV being the premium pre-owned RV dealer. We're here today looking at the 2007 Pleasureway Excel. We're going to start up here. It's built on the Ford chassis. It's a gas chassis. We've got some nice running boards here and some nice non-skid steps to make sure you're always safe when you're stepping in and out. We have your battery here. Some really good sized outside storage here. You could easily get a couple of lawn chairs in there, a grill, nice good sized. Tow hitch on the back. Some additional good sized storage here. Sewer hose. Got your propane tank and then your generator here. It's got a 2800 microlight Onan generator. All right, now let's jump into the inside of this 2007 Pleasureway Excel. All right, on the inside you can see this is a very clean 2007. We've got the Ford dashboard up here, a nice AM/FM radio. You've got your air control and a really nice section to carry and nice drink holders here. So that's a really nice feature, as well as some good storage underneath. We've got a swivel seat up here in the front and real nice soft leather here that's been taken care of very well. Move up here, we've got a microwave convection oven. We have some nice storage under here. An additional table here to pull out. But that's great. You could put, you've got a hanging rack too to hang clothes in there. This is a really nice size storage unit, especially for a B van. Come in here and you've got a good sized bathroom. Sink with mirror. This is a wet bath, so it's all contained here with the toilet where you would shower. You've got a nice little window in here too in this 2007 Excel with a vent, which is very nice. Some good counter space here and a nice spice rack, which is handy for when you're cooking out there. Stainless steel sink, nice and pretty deep sink here. This can go back on, nice Corian countertops. You've got a 2-burner stove. Refrigerator, a Dometic refrigerator. Little storage compartment over here. More storage up above. Nice and deep storage up here as well. More kitchen storage here in the drawers. And the storage continues all the way around the cabin. So for a B van and for this Pleasureway Excel being smaller, lots of great storage capacity. So even if you're going out for 2, 3, 4 weeks at a time or more, you've got the ability to carry some things with you. And it's always nice, you don't have to upheave your entire house and you're camping. You can keep some things stored in your RV so you're ready to go at a moment's notice. In the back here, this Pleasureway Excel is a wide body model, so you get a much larger sleeping area. And this is a power bed that'll lay flat. You can put the cushions in between. You have a very nice, almost king-size bed back here. Back doors, we've got a screen that you can put over that, as well as blinds that can drop down if you wanted to keep those doors open nice and wide on those beautiful, cool summer evenings. Storage all the way around. We come up here, you've got your coffee maker that's stored in here, which is very nice. It's got this little leather clip, so it stays nice and secure. They've certainly thought of everything. Come around to the back here. You've got your entertainment system with your television, DVD player above. This is your power controls for your bed to put your bed down. And you also have you've got some electrical systems back here, but you also have a little bin in case you wanted to store anything additional back here, some remotes or something else from an entertainment standpoint. All right, that's it for this beautiful 2007 Pleasureway Excel. It's a great van to take out and explore the Pacific Northwest or anywhere in the country. Come down and take a look at it at Johnson RV here in Sandy, Oregon. Ask for Allie.